Electrician interview questions. Detailed answers. 1. Tell me about yourself. Stronger answer: I have a strong interest in electrical systems and hands-on work. I've learned about wiring, circuits, and safety procedures through training and practice. I'm particularly interested in fault finding and installation work. I'm reliable, safety conscious, and eager to continue developing my skills in a professional environment. Tip: add any course, apprenticeship, or real experience here. 2. What are the main responsibilities of an electrician? Detailed answer: an electrician is responsible for installing, maintaining, and repairing electrical systems. This includes reading and interpreting technical diagrams, installing wiring, sockets, lighting, and control systems, testing electrical systems using tools like multimeters, diagnosing faults and fixing issues, ensuring all work meets safety regulations and standards. 3. Explain Ohm's law and how you use it. Answer: this means voltage equals current multiplied by resistance. I use it to calculate unknown values. For example, if I know the voltage and resistance, I can calculate current. It helps in troubleshooting circuits and ensuring components are not overloaded. Example: if a device has 230 volts and resistance of 23 ohms, current equals 10 amperes. What is the difference between single-phase and three-phase power? Single-phase, used in homes, simpler and lower power supply. Three-phase, used in industrial settings, more efficient for heavy loads. Three-phase provides continuous power and is better for motors and large equipment. How do you test if a circuit is live? I use a voltage tester or multimeter to check for voltage. Before testing, I ensure the tester is working on a known live source. I always follow safe isolation procedures. What is earthing? Grounding. Earthing provides a safe path for electrical current to flow into the ground in case of a fault. It prevents electric shock and protects equipment. Example: if a metal appliance becomes live due to a fault, grounding directs the current safely away. 7. What is a circuit breaker and how does it work? Answer: a circuit breaker automatically switches off electrical flow when it detects overload or short circuit. It protects wiring and prevents fires. Unlike fuses, it can be reset after tripping. 8. Difference between fuse and circuit breaker. Answer: fuse melts when current is too high, must be replaced. Circuit breaker trips and can be reset. 9. What PPE, personal protective equipment, do you use? Answer: I use insulated gloves, safety boots, goggles, flame-resistant clothing. This reduces risk of electric shock, burns, and injury. 10. Describe how you would install a new socket. Answer: step by step. 1. Turn off power supply. 2. Confirm circuit is dead. 3. Run cable to the socket location. 4. Strip wires and connect, live, neutral, earth. 5. Secure socket to wall. 6. Restore power and test. Shows practical knowledge, which employers like. 11. What is a short circuit and overload? Answer: short circuit, direct connection between live and neutral leads to very high current. Overload, too many devices drawing current leads to overheating. 12. How do you troubleshoot an electrical fault? Answer: I follow a systematic process. Identify the problem, isolate the circuit, use testing tools, multimeter, check connections, voltage and components, repair or replace faulty parts, test the system again. 13. What is a multimeter and how do you use it? Answer: a multimeter measures voltage, current and resistance. I use it to check if circuits are live, measure voltage levels, test continuity, identify faults. 14. What regulations do electricians follow in the UK? Answer: in the UK, electricians follow the BS 7671 wiring regulations, IET wiring regulations. These ensure electrical installations are safe and compliant. 15. How do you ensure safety at work? Answer: I follow strict safety procedures. Isolate power before working, use proper tools and PPE, follow wiring regulations, double-check connections, keep workspace clean and organized. 16. What is continuity testing? Answer: it checks if a circuit is complete and current can flow. It helps identify broken wires or poor connections. 17. Why should we hire you? Answer: I am reliable, safety-focused, and eager to learn. I have a solid understanding of electrical basics and a strong work ethic. I'm confident I can contribute and grow within your team. Extra tips, important. Use real examples if you have experience. Show safety awareness, very important in electrical jobs. Speak clearly and confidently. If unsure, say, I would follow proper procedure or ask a supervisor. If you want, I can next give you mock interview questions, like real interview practice. Practical wiring test questions, Apprentice Electrician interview answers UK focused.